Good morning, good morning. So today is my daughter's 4th birthday, so we're gonna do a bit of trading before we celebrate her birthday. She's still asleep, can you believe that? So my daughter is 4 today, and hopefully we can pass this fun challenge today and it'll be a really good day all around. So yeah, not far off passing the fun challenge. Markets do open in 7 minutes, so we're gonna get to it. I'm still in my pajama bottoms. And yeah, I will see you on the charts. Okay, so we're on the charts, still on the laptop with the trackpad, which obviously makes it a little bit more difficult. Let's have a look. Also, yeah, I just want to quickly go over my Tomo Trades lot size calculator is pretty much ready. There's a few tweaks that need to be made, like these lot sizes are wrong. But it's quite good, to be fair. Pretty handy. So now I know roughly what lot sizes to be using. These need editing, so I'm not going to go off these ones. But yeah, it's nearly ready for you guys, so I'll let you know when that's available. Yesterday was a crazy day. I don't know if you can see yesterday. Let's have a look at the challenges, everything. Clarity traders. That was a crazy day too. That's in the other video if you want to check that out. So yeah, look, we dropped. And then we dropped a fair chunk and then we came back. So if you haven't seen yesterday's video, do check that out. I do need to go mark up my charts though before I get distracted too much. It's so hard, honestly, using the trackpad. Only one. That's one. Other areas of interest. Let's have a look. That's one. So we're just marking up our areas of interest for. I mean, could that be one? That could potentially be one, couldn't it? I have to consider it. What does that look like on the 15-minute? Yeah, okay, I see that. That could be interesting. There's a potential sell here. Keep an eye on DAX. Take the sell. Probably shouldn't do it on the first candle, but we're in a position. DAX. Scary stuff, really. This one looks interesting. If it engulfs that wick, we could go. DAX is going against us currently, massively. It's a concern. Oh shit. We entered that a bit late. We entered that one very late. And we shouldn't have. Okay. Where did we even enter up there? Jesus. Jumped in. Didn't think about the spreads. Could get burned here. Retracing. UK 100. Tapped us out. That's a shame. So we're down $51. The thing is, with this spread, like in Brandon Trades FX videos, he mentions these spreads, and in one of his videos, he closes out a break even, but he's actually at a loss of $192, and that's just because of the spread, which is insane, right? So ideally, we'd have something with tighter spreads, but this is what we've got to deal with for now. So this is what we're doing. The UK 100 could easily go again. And if it engulfs that candle wick, I'd be tempted to jump in again. Oh, let's go. Let's go get a buy here. So we're buying France 40. DAX is flying. Oh, I would have been tempted to enter that. I shouldn't take as many trades as I am. I need to be more in control. When he nearly touched the close all button then by accident, Jesus. That's where our stop loss is. And look how close that is. Oh no, don't do it again. Don't get me for a second time. Faked out. Oh, this is savage. Savage, savage, savage. Another loss on the cards, but Dax is going to make up for it. Still want to go see that Superman movie. It's still at the cinemas. But life's been so hectic the last 2-3 weeks. Just what happens when I started this trading challenge. Life's been pretty hectic for me and Layla. So we haven't had a chance to have a cinema date. We've only been to the cinema once together. Ever. We've gone as a family. But we've only ever been to the cinema once, and that was this year. And we saw... What did we see? Final Destination? What's frustrating is if I hadn't taken those crap trades, we might have passed the challenge already. Still got my eye on UK 40. We need to set this to break even, don't we? Or trail the stop loss. We're so close to that $27,000 mark. I don't know what happens when you hit that target. Like, is there another phase, or is that just the one phase? It's the accelerated funded account, so I'm hoping to find out. France 40 is trying to push back up. That's encouraging. Look how close that got to the stop loss. Wow. Oh, no, it's pushing down again. Bugger. Oh, they're going to hit stop loss. Look out. There we go. That's the one stop loss hit. Now it's all on you, Dax. All on you to save the day. So I'll tell you what, if it engulfs this candle here, we would enter. Be a very happy 4th birthday if we did pass this challenge today, wouldn't it? Cammy's 4th birthday, passing the challenge. Happy days. That was exciting. Yesterday's US 30. That was insane, yesterday's trade. If you haven't, check out day 12 Mamba live trading video. Also, if you haven't, guys, please do like the video and subscribe. It does mean a lot to me, and your comments mean a lot to me. Shout out to Shahib. You've been a great support in the comments and a great help. So I appreciate that, dude. Thank you. Got me my Bring Me the Horizon hat on again. I tend to wear the hat when I haven't done my hair normally, but there will be days where I haven't done my hair and not wearing a hat, and that's a scary sight. So normally I put the hat on. We've broken through that resistance there. You might consider that resistance as well. I'd love to have sound effects on this, like in Trade Locker, but I have no idea how you set it up. Not Trade Locker, Trading View, sorry. In Trading View, like you hear the when the trade goes executed. I don't know if you can do that in Trade Locker. It's the little things. It's the little things. I was hoping Dax was going to be the one that turns today around, but it's struggling. It's not the end of the world if we take a loss today. Just would have been nice to have... Oh, look at Dax, it's gone. Dax is sinking fast. If we do get tapped out at break even, there's always an opportunity to re-enter. Today is not as anxiety inducing as the whole of yesterday was. Both London session and New York session, like mini heart attacks. It was quite something. If you haven't watched those videos, do go back and watch them. For a roller coaster of a trading day. Oh, we're going to break even. There we go, we're up, Dax. done what I thought it would. We'll see what it does in the 1 minute. We may take a re-entry. Let's break even, right? But we just lost $6. So we were close to passing the challenge. And then we're not. So I would definitely be interested in looking at another sell. We'll leave it a bit though and see how much it rejects. Is it going to respect that zone there? That's the question. Interest sell, go on. We're in again. It's fair, we've got room to play with, so that's fine. These are heading where we want them to go. We'll see. We've got room to play with. We're not even at a percent down yet, so it's fine. It's fine. That's why it's important to manage your risk and reward and not do crazy lot sizes like I did on day one. Although day one's kind of got me where I am, so yeah. Who am I to preach? Oh, let's take a sell. Let's do it. Another sell position. Are we over trading? Quite possibly. Quite possibly. Do I want to pass this funded challenge? Absolutely. That is another sell. Let's take it. Let's go crazy. And this is my last lot. This is it. Because shit like that happens all the fucking time. And now we're down loads of money. Scary, isn't it? Scary, you see it just drop that quickly. DAX is not having any of it. Oh, I thought for sure this was going to keep dropping down. It's the spreads that kill you though, because you enter and then it's not actually where you entered and then you end up losing more. So now these trades are going well. Fantastic. Just reset all the hard work from yesterday and the last few days in the blink of an eye. You wouldn't think it was that difficult to go in the right direction. It's either going to go one way or the other, isn't it? It always feels like it seems to go against you whenever you put a trade on. Like you put a trade on, you're like, yeah, it's doing what I think it's going to do. Brilliant. And then it just goes the other way. You know, what the hell? What the hell? Oh, got my coffee though, so life is caffeinated. And we'll just have to see how this pans out. I just need lots of pushes to the downside, which I think they're going to do. It just might hit my stop loss first. Well, things are dropping, that's good. Good. It could turn around, boys and girls, it could turn around. Oh, we're in profit, yeah. Woo! I don't know how we're not in profit in France 40. DAX is going to be the one that, if it goes well, will make the money. It's also going to be the one that, if it goes bad, it will lose all the money. Very quickly. There'll be the hope, but not anymore. It's all gone a bit Pete Tong. UK reference. Pete Tong used to be a DJ in England. It's like rhyming slang for all gone wrong. It's all gone a bit Pete Tong. Show my age there, because Pete Tong hasn't. I don't think he's been relevant for about 20 years. Because it's my daughter's birthday, I might have to let this play out and just leave the charts, so she can open up her presents and, celebrate her birthday with her. I was hoping it was going to be a good celebration, like a double, like, we passed the challenge. Happy 4th birthday, baby. But it doesn't look like that's going to be the case today. But I've seen these things turn around before, so maybe they'll turn around again. Ooh, brutal. We're out that one. What one was that? UK 100. The thing is, if DAX goes well, it could pass the Fund the Challenge, regardless of today's losses. That's the beauty of DAX currently. Just set that to break even, if you didn't see. Just set DAX to break even. Oh. We might even trail the stop loss now. France is up as well. Oh my god, come on, let's turn this around. Oh, it was going well there for a second. This is what happens. You're like, yes, it's moving in the right direction finally. And then you get shit like this. Now, if Layla watches this video back, she'd be like, I told you should have cashed out. Or not cashed out, you should have closed the trade there at $200. I've been happy with that. She's right. I'm like, yes, dear, you're right. But you know me. Oh, that's brutal. Ugh, we're out. We're going to be out. Just don't think that's gonna. Just don't think. Oh, we're out. Don't mind them. Oh, $3. I'm going back in for a sell. Was that DAX? It was DAX. Because I honestly believe that this is going to keep going down. I might manually close it. How much loss are we at? I honestly believe DAX is going to go down. Keep going down. So it's a re-entry, because I don't think DAX is done. Not by a long shot. That's my gut feeling. It's probably too many trades in one day, but I just know DAX is going to go my way. Just know it. Like, if I hadn't moved that to break even, I wouldn't have $3 profit. I will put a stop loss on just in case something weird happens. I'm going to put it up here. So just going to keep an eye on it still. But at least I've got that. In case like there's some weird spike or glitch, then I'm kind of protected, right? Just a casual hour trading, not passing the challenge. For today could be the day, especially when DAX start dropping. I was like, this is the day, but I made so many bad trades in between that today is not that day yet. It could turn around. It could go in our favour still. Come on! Let's pass this challenge. Yeet. Yeah. Jay Uso is pretty cool, right? I've been watching that. I think I told you I've been watching that WWE Unreal. We're just on episode 4. And it's so cool to see the behind the scenes and how it all comes together. Like, I hope they make more episodes. Definitely do love all that kind of stuff. So WWE, if you are watching, or any pro wrestlers watching, make more Unreal episodes. Or documentary makers, make more. Walk away for a second to sort out some birthday decoration. Not yet, because the cat that likes to eat decorations is in the area where the decorations are. So we'll leave them as they are for now. Yikes. Oh, France closed out. Another loss. Oh, man. No more trades after this one then, because we are minus 230. So now we're just hoping and Now we're just hoping and praying that Dax turns it around. Just let Leah know it's a bad day at the office. I can't believe how badly it's gone against us this whole day. And it was flying at one point. It was absolutely flying. Now we're so far off our target again. I mean, that would have hit our stop loss. We'd have been out about $170. Whoa, okay. So now, what the fuck? That was a big jump. Do I let it run to stop loss? And pray it reverses? Well, we go again tomorrow. Gutting. Absolutely gutting that. But we live and learn. These things happen, right? Let's go watch videos of my daughter when she's a baby now. Take the edge off. Just cute. Well, while watching that video, we had a nice little 1 minute candle drop, so that was nice. Maybe there is hope yet. Look how close that was, though. Wow. If this did turn around, that's because I set my stop loss there. I mean, wow. What a stroke of luck that would be. I don't think it's going to turn around. I think it's probably going to form another higher high. But at this point, it doesn't really matter, does it? I'm in the hole. See it through now. I've been here 20 minutes. Let's see what happens, baby. We've had a few crazy days trading sessions. I can't see this being another crazy one. Surely not. No one break through it. That's it. Wow. It's in profit. It's in profit. Can you believe it? Can you freaking believe that? Minus 270. It's not big profit. Don't get me wrong. It's not something you want to shove from the rooftops, but from where it was, wow. Keep pushing down now. Everything about this is telling me that it's going to go back up. Looking at the higher highs, the lower lows, the higher highs. If you can break the last lower low in the 1 minute, happy days. Obviously, the higher time frame will tell you more. So it's a lower high, right? There's a higher low, so who knows? I think it's still going to go down. I do honestly think it's going to go down. But are you brave enough to risk it? You know what I mean? How much do you risk in the belief that something's going to happen? And risk that capital on the off chance that you've just got a feeling that it's going to go down. So you have to sit here and manage the trade, which, you know, is fine if you're winning. It's happy days, isn't it? It's exciting. When you're in a negative, it's not so exciting. And this trade is just moving sideways now. I think what I'll do, guys, is I'll pause the video and I'll just keep an eye on it. And if something is happening, I'll resume the video. Okay? Because it is my daughter's birthday after all, so I can't sit here all day watching candles go sideways. So I'll see you literally in a second, but some time will probably have passed. See you in a bit. Okay, so just a quick update. As you can see, since we opened this positional trade, it would have tapped out our stop loss twice now. Thankfully, our stop loss is up here. I say thankfully, it might not be thankful at all, but it's just kind of range bound at the moment. I do think it's a bearish market and it is going to drop, but it could take all day. So it's no longer kind of scalping, it's become like a day trade. So we'll see how it pans out and I'll update you as and when. Okay, so next update is we have been stopped out. At this level we got wicked in, as you can see. There's a big old 1 minute candle there, wicked us in and closed us here. So the damage. It's a bad day. Minus $530. So that's gutting. Let me just look at the other ones quick. Just out of interest. So yeah. 2% down, give or take. But we go again Monday. Slowed right down. I feel like I was day trading. You want to do that when you're scalping. So let's see if this is updated. Yeah, 352. We took a hit. We're up overall. Not ideal. So we got so close. We were $200 away. Now we're $757 away, which is a pain. We were so close, so close. But yeah, it is what it is. Bad days trading happens. We just go again, and we have another successful day. Another day. We got New York session later as well to do. So this challenge account, how far is this one off? 632. So we'll see. Maybe we can get this one to pass the funded challenge. We'll see. Let's have a look. I was in that trade for freaking ages. Let's see it. 26 minutes. Oh, sorry. Yeah, in that trade, 26 minutes. Our win rate's lower. Profit factor. Well, profit per unit. I don't understand. Don't really understand that. Oh, but hey. Yes, no profit factor is a good sign. The percentage, okay, that's fine. So there you go. Savage day, but we roll again next week. If you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe. And we go again, and we're going to pass these freaking challenges. So stick around for the journey, guys. I'll talk to you later.